Square ABCD is inscribed in the circle O. So let's quickly draw the figure first. Square ABCD is inscribed in circle O. So let's quickly draw a circle here first. Here we have a circle, and there is a square that's inscribed in the circle. So the square looks like this. Now, when we have a figure such as this, we should be able to derive the relationships between the sides of a square and the radius of the circle. Now we can see that if I join the two ends, the diagonal of the square, then it is actually equal to the diameter, which means if I say that the side is x of a square, then the hypotenuse, the diagonal of the square will be x root 2, and the diameter is also equal to x root 2. The question is, what is the area of the square region? The area of a square is equal to side square. We need to find this out. That means to answer this, we need to find the value of x. Let's see the first statement. The first statement says that area of the circular region O is equal to 64 pi. Now since we know the diameter of the circle is pi root 2 and the area is equal to pi times of radius square, we can say it is pi times of x root 2 divided by 2 square, and it is given as 64 pi. Now we can simplify this, and the simplification will give us the exact value of x that we can see, because if we simplify this, we have x square divided by 2 is equal to 64, which gives us x square is equal to 128. We wanted to find x square, we have x square, so the first statement alone is sufficient to answer. Now the answer has to be either option A or option D. The second statement, on the other hand, gives us the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, or we can say that pi times of diameter, which means pi times of x root 2, because the diameter of the circle is x root 2, and that's given equal to 16 pi. So pi can be cancelled out here, so x is equal to 16 over root 2. If you multiply root 2 in numerator and denominator to rationalize it, we get x is equal to 8 root 2, which means x square is equal to 128. Therefore the second statement as well is sufficient to answer the question, and the final answer of the question becomes option D, because each statement alone is sufficient to answer the question. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much.